Hello everyone, this is Balaji. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the beautiful price action recent time retracement stock called IDFC First Bank. So, the price range of this stock is naturally attract the investors' mindset. This is actually trading below the 100 rupees. So, we are all very well known that the recent rally of Bank Nifty is outperformed. So this stock also got benefited from the rally. Simultaneously, the price action seems a good consolidation breakout. Long-term breakout happened in a weekly chart. It will indicate the clear direction for the upside. Simultaneously, the Bank Nifty also getting boomed in a simultaneous way. So I think this is the right time to talk about this stock. So as well as this is the right time to monitor and concern about this price range. Why I am saying, because so 4 months back only this stock got breakout from the downtrend channel from the lifetime. So after the successful breakout, within a 2 months the price got doubled. So much of good returns happened within a 2 months. So after that it comes to consolidation range for last 3 months. The May month itself got again boomed from the consolidation range. We will discuss detailed in a price action chart. Okay, hope it will be getting useful for you for investment decision as well as a trading decision. Okay, so if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and support. Let's go to the video. Okay, thank you. I just taken IDFC First Bank monthly chart. So actually this was a stock was traded in a downtrend channel around from the lifetime high. The lifetime high will be 81 rupees. So the lifetime low will be 18 rupees. So this is a very big downtrend channel. This is a primary trend of the stock. Okay. So recently got breakout from the downtrend channel. The breakout happened in a January month itself, January 2021. After the breakout, the stock given a good rate of return within a 2 months. See how much return it has generated within a 2 months. The stock got doubled. Okay. So after the long leg of return, it just corrected for 2 months. So now you can able to see the monthly, this is a monthly candlesticks of last month. So here you can able to see that the buying pressure of the candle will be, lower shadow will be very high, which indicates the buying pressure. Okay. So in this month automatically started rising. So the 2 month of successful retracement, now this month started rising. So it will be a very good, what I am trying to say, it will be a very good opportunity for further investment. So now how we can take this stock as a target, how we can fix the target price of this stock. First of all, the first level of hurdle is just got breaked from monthly chart. Okay, this is a horizontal line. This is a 2019. Okay, I just changed it to weekly chart. In weekly time frame, I just found one rising wedge pattern. I just drawn. Okay, so pure rising wedge pattern, beautiful rising wedge pattern. So now you can able to see that after the straight correction of 5 weeks, it just started behaving like a bullish after retracing its wedge pattern support. So this is a beautiful opportunity for further bullish. So after the consolidation for last 4 weeks, it just break today itself. Okay, this is a day got breaked. You can able to see that the breakout happened. This is a very beautiful opportunity. The first level of target will be around the previous swing high. It will be around 68 rupees. So Now coming back to the daily chart. Here you can able to see the clear picture of this. This is also look like a ascending triangle or symmetric triangle, whatever. So but this kind of just one second. This is a range of consolidation for around last 2 months. After the consolidation, today itself just got breakout. Clear cut bullish happened. So this is a beautiful opportunity for further upside. This is a level of price action as of now in IDFC First Bank. Just concentrate. So maybe it will move will be around this kind of. Okay, once a bank nifty support in a periodic manner, definitely I hope the stock will reach to the previous thing. For the investment purpose, the IDFC First Bank is a beautiful opportunity for the long term investment gain. After that, swing trade also got a good rate of return. We just considered. Okay, hope you can enjoy this video. Thank you my dear friends.